Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can bypass Snapchat device ban. It's not something difficult, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to bypass Snapchat device ban. Okay, so I am going now to my home screen or to my iPhone so I can show you step by step how you can do it. And keep in mind that this is working on both iOS devices and also on iOS devices. And now let's go into the video. So as you can see here, Snapchat Plus Plus, that's the app that we're going to use for today's video. So all we need to do is to open it so I can show you how it works. Okay, so all I need to do is to just enter my password and then I'm going to click on unban device and let's see what's going to happen. Okay guys, so as you can see, after clicking on unban device, that's the account, and you can do the same thing. You can bypass Snapchat device ban. Just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to be able to do it. So now I'm going to go out from this app so I can show you the steps how you can get this app and do the same thing. Okay, so now before to go ahead and show you how you can get Snapchat Plus Plus, we need to make some changes on settings first. Okay, so let's go to settings and open it, and let's scroll down to general and background app refresh, and make sure that the background app refresh is on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi in the mobile data, not off. Okay, so Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi in mobile data. For me, I will keep it on Wi-Fi. And let's go back to settings. Let's scroll down to battery and make sure that the low power mode is off, not on but off. Let's go back now to settings and let's go to App Store and let's scroll down to automatic downloads and make sure that automatic downloads is on, not off but on. So now we're done. So make sure or keep in mind to make these changes on settings first before to go ahead on what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so make these changes and now we can get out from settings. Okay, now we've came to the best part, which is I'm going to show you how you can get Snapchat Plus Plus, and I'm going to show you how you can do it now. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so that's the website where you need to go, and just go to this website and then follow all the instructions and you're going to be able to get your app. Okay, so that's the website as you can see, and go to it and follow the instructions and you're going to be able to get your app. And I hope this video was useful to you and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.